What's going on? We'll talk to you for a second here.
Yeah, always.
Did you tell me you think your McLaren would beat that CRX?
I know for a fact that the McLaren is going to beat the CRX.
For a fact?
Yeah.
Did you bring your wood screws today?
You know who I brought?
Who?
Irina, my professional driver.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I wanted to drop onto here today so you guys could get a feel for what we're doing. And we don't even know what we're doing. What are we doing, Nathan?
I don't know. What are we doing?
We're not doing anything. We've got a couple cars behind us. We've got a random Mustang in front of us, and we're just cruising. We're gonna see what happens here.
Looks really good.
I think this Mustang wants to get embarrassed is what needs to happen here. Oh, there he is.
You were already here!
Neighbors!
Hey, quick little photo shoot there, guy on top of the world. We've got somewhere we can take photos, and we don't have a bunch of hookers trying to pick us up at this time.
Yeah.
So, it's good here. Ooh, the old spaghetti factory, nice. Hey, you must be roasting on there.
Man, all that slow speed stopped at lights and stuff.
Yeah,
like,
I saw you opening your visor, and I'm like, you get the whole liter, right? Yeah.
Somebody has fun.
Yeah, clearly your McLaren was up here.
Oh, is that oil slicks?
Yeah.
What's going on there?
All right, guys, we're done at this location.
She just came right up to the
These
window.
two, we don't know what they're doing. Dealing cards or something? I don't know what they're doing. Anyway, we're gonna go to the next location, and we're gonna go to the next location, see what we can get to there. Beautiful location Ryan got us to here, and see what the next one looks like.
What are we doing?
See what we got. What do we got here? We got Jamie here.
Always.
What do we got here? What a view. Dude, the turbo was so loud on that I could hear you over that car a block behind me.
I was having fun.
Yeah.
Didn't wreck it.
What a view.
Calgary's way nicer.
Yeah, Calgary is nicer. Peter, where are we, buddy?
We are in a little place called Strathern.
Strathern?
Yeah.
Yeah, what a view.
Offers a pretty decent view of it, yeah?
This in Saskatoon would be the equivalent of what we call Sask Crescent.
Oh, okay.
Or no, Spadina Crescent.
Spadina.
Oh, quick fuel stop.
Yes.
And then I thought that this guy over here almost challenged me. So I'm not sure, we'll get to the bottom of that in a second. We're gonna get some fuel here. All right, so step one to putting fuel in the CRX is you gotta open the hatch.
Let's do that.
All right, step one. You open that up. Fuel tank.
Cap off.
Yeah. Step two, we run 100 octane, so you got to add half a bottle of this. So I'll leave you to mess with that. I'm gonna go put fuel in the super.
Okay. Do I have to use this nozzle?
No, you can just dump it slowly in there, and just half a bottle.
Okay.
All right, so are you still messing with that?
I was pouring in slow.
Okay. Okay. So second step, we got to pay for fuel, so we'll do that.
Okay.
So this is my Visa. You can just put it in there. Step 3, you've already figured out. You pump. That's
Okay.
it. You got it. Good man. All right. So here we are. We're filling up. Things are going good. We're going to deal with Ryan in a minute because I think this thing's going to lay a licking on him today. And go from there. What's going on? We'll talk to you for a second here.
Yeah, always.
Did you tell me you think your McLaren would beat that CRX?
I know for a fact that the McLaren is going to beat the CRX.
For a fact.
Yeah.
Did you bring your wood screws today?
You know who I brought?
Who?
Irina, my professional driver.
Yeah.
She's the one that's going to be taking the wheel.
Okay, but you brought your wood screws.
Yeah.
Good, because I'm gonna blow your doors off. Yeah. All right, let's do this.
We need proof.
We need proof. So it's actually on. We're racing the McLaren right in front of us. We're gonna see what happens here. I still think I'll take this thing, so let's see how this goes. Those unaware who don't know the McLaren, this is a Mclaren 650S. They do quarter mile and I believe 10.2, 10.3, 650 horsepower, rear wheel drive, 0 to 100 miles an hour and 5.4. You guys better check that. So it's a lot of car to take on. We're gonna see how this goes. Listen, Linda. If I could keep a second to third shift, I would have been there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. And the other problem is, like, you have engineering.
Right.
I have whatever the f I built here.
Phobia auto engineering.
Right, yeah.
So.
But yeah, like
second to third would have helped.
Well, once I got into VTEC in third, I caught you guys because I think that's what they got on video when we went by. But you know what was terrifying? Doing 230 with manual brakes, coming up behind a Hyundai doing 60. I was like, and this is how it ends. You guys are still giving away money at 24/7 Exotics?
That's what we do.
I need a $15,000 sequential transmission for this. Then I'm coming for you.
Okay, well then that could be a challenge to our audience.
Yeah.
To get that for you.
Now, I'd like to point out two things. Number one, Ryan does giveaways on 24/7 Exotics, and I need $15,000 US for a transmission for that. Number two, I'd like to point out, is this is only here today because of my hose that saved you.
That's right, that's facts.
This would still be sitting there waiting for a hose from Germany.
That's right.
Oh wait, no, it's McLaren Germany?
Surrey, England.
England. It's England, my bad. Hey, what did you guys witness out there today?
Fun.
Fun.
Action.
Ooh, you look good in the sun. I like that.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Nathan, make sure we get the nice shot of this. Looks good. It's
We
almost
saw nothing.
nothing.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
Don't talk about things.
Ryan, what happened over there?
All right, I have a confession to make. The CRX might have taken the McLaren. Might have.
Yeah, might have. But what it needs is a 24/7 Exotics, $15,000 US giveaway, because I need a sequential transmission.
That's USD.
That's USD.
Okay, well we'll put it out there to our audience. if we can get our fan base to put together the money
Yeah.
for this gearbox, then hey.
Yeah, go over to Steve's OnlyFans
Yes.
and subscribe to everything.
Absolutely. I truly appreciate that.
Why do you know he has?
I gotta make an OnlyFans now. What about you, Boschman? What did you see out there? Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Man, the sun's moving fast, Peter. The sun's moving fast.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
Ryan just got yelled at by some Karen.
By who?
Some Karen down here. We were going too fast. She jumped in front of her car, in front of his car.
Oh.
It was like that last guy was a girl.
She's only doing 140. We're barely moving.
Right. Yeah, fair enough.
Overall, but yeah.
Yes,
Here we are. Golden hour, Peter. Golden hour.
Golden minute.
Oh, you're in the shot. You're in the shot. Okay, kids.
Hi.
I've asked you not to stick your phone in people's faces.
I'm so sorry.
It's not a phone, it's a GoPro.
Oh, perfect.
So,
Hey, listen, can we get everybody's opinion on the underglow, please?
Well, we should go downtown and we'll go get other people's.
needs more underglow.
It does. I'm gonna get another kit for it, for sure.